Modal verbs express ability, possibility, permission and more. Using do and does. We use do and does to ask questions. Look at the examples. Questions with do. Do you like ice cream? Answer. Yes, I do. No, I don't. Do they play cricket? Yes, they do. No, they don't. Questions with does. Does she like flowers? Yes, she does. No, she doesn't. Does the dog bark? Yes, it does. No, it doesn't. Use do with I, you, we, they. Use does with he, she, it. Do and does helps us ask questions. They make our talking correct. Using can and could. We use can and could to talk about ability. Let us see how we use them. We use can. I can swim. She can sing. They can ride a bike. We use could. I could run fast when I was younger. She could play the piano. They could win the race last year. Use can to talk about things we are able to do now. Use could to talk about things we were able to do in the past. Can and could help us share our abilities. Using will and shall. We use will and shall to talk about the future. Let us learn how to use them. Use will. We use will to talk about decisions made at the moment. I will have some water. Promises. I will help you. Predictions about the future. It will rain tomorrow. Use shall. Make offers. Shall I help you with your book? Ask for suggestions. Shall we go to the park? Talk politely in formal situations. Shall I open the door for you? Use will for decisions, promises and predictions about the future. Use shall for offers, suggestions and polite questions. Both will and shall speak clearly about the future. Using may and might. We use may and might to talk about possibility. May and might mean something is possible. Use may. We use may for something that is possible. It may rain. I may get a birthday gift. Use might. We use might for something that is possible but not certain. I might win a prize. We might go on a trip. We use may for things that are possible. We use might for things that are possible but not certain. Use both may and might to share ideas and talk about the future. Modal verbs summary. Let us remember what we have learned. 4 small words with big power. Modal verb can means ability and used to talk about what we can do now. Example, I can swim. Modal verb do is used to ask questions. To ask about habits or likes. Example, do you like ice cream? Modal verb will talks about future decisions, promises and predictions. Example, I will help you. Modal verbs may and might are used to talk about possibility. Example, it may rain tomorrow. You've learned 4 powerful words today. Use them every day and speak English with confidence.